ARP-142, better known as the Penguin and the Egg, is one of the most striking galactic duos ever captured. In this breathtaking view, we're watching two galaxies, NGC 2936 and NGC 2937, locked in a slow, gravitational dance. ARP-142 sits 326 million light-years from Earth in the constellation Hydra, about 130 times farther away than our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. Yet the Penguin and the Egg are only about 100,000 light-years apart, practically touching in cosmic terms. The Penguin galaxy is larger than the Milky Way, while the Egg is smaller and more compact. Over the next several hundred million years, these two galaxies will merge into one, a dramatic but incredibly slow transformation. Webb's new view reveals a soft blue haze surrounding the Penguin, created as the galaxies mingle and exchange material. The Penguin's long tail glows with distant background galaxies, gas, dust, and newly formed stars. Its beak is a bright starburst region, rich with gas and dust, where intense star formation is underway. Before this encounter, the Penguin was a spiral galaxy. You can still see hints of its original structure in the eye, the central bulge. The Egg, an elliptical galaxy filled with older stars, remains less distorted thanks to its compact structure and lower gas content. A third galaxy, PGC 1237172, appears in the top right of the image. It's not part of ARP-142, it's much closer to us, and the bright stars around it are even closer still, local interlopers from our own Milky Way. Colored differences across the image reveal how dust, distance, and wavelengths shape what we see. Objects with diffraction spikes are stars, smooth, glowing shapes are galaxies. Many regions in this image likely contain newborn stars and forming planets, though they're far too distant to see directly. Galaxy mergers like this one create fresh environments for star and planet formation, reshaping the cosmos over unimaginable timescales. As Webb continues its mission, we can expect even more discoveries, and a deeper understanding of the universe we call home.